The Little River and the Big Lesson. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little river. It was young and fast, always rushing forward. The river wanted to be big like the ocean. It dreamed of carrying big boats and touching the sky like the sea. One day, the river saw a wise old tree standing near the water. The tree had deep roots and strong branches. It had lived for many years. The tree smiled and said, "Why are you in such a hurry, little river?" "I want to be big and important," the river said. "I want to reach the ocean quickly." The tree laughed gently. "Everything takes time. Even the ocean was once small. Be patient and enjoy your journey." The river did not understand at first. It still wanted to rush forward, but then it started to notice the things around it. It saw the birds flying above, the fish swimming inside, and the flowers growing near its banks. It heard children laughing as they played in the water. The river started to enjoy these little moments. Seasons passed. The river grew wider and deeper. It met new streams and carried fresh water to fields and animals. It became a home for many creatures. Slowly, it became stronger and more powerful. Finally, after a long journey, the river reached the ocean. It looked at the vast, endless water and smiled. The river was now part of something big, just as it had always dreamed. But it also remembered its journey, the lessons it learned, and the beauty it had seen along the way. The little river learned a big lesson. Growth takes time, and every step in life is important. Moral of the story: patience and enjoying the journey are just as important as reaching the goal. Here are some key words from the story, along with examples and their translations. 1. River. Example: the little river rushed forward, eager to reach the ocean. Second village. Example: the peaceful village rested beside the flowing river, surrounded by nature. Third ocean. Example: the vast ocean stretched endlessly, waiting for the little river to arrive. Fourth tree. Example: the wise old tree stood tall, watching over the river with gentle wisdom. 5. Patience. Example: with patience, the river learned that every journey has its own time. Sixth journey. Example: the river's journey was filled with discoveries, from playful fish to singing birds. 7. Growth. Example: day by day, the little river grew stronger, shaping the land around it. 8. Creatures. Example: many creatures found a home in the river, from tiny fish to colorful butterflies. 9. Dream. Example: the little river dreamed of adventures far beyond the village, where the sky met the sea. 10. Wisdom. Example: the tree's wisdom taught the river that true strength comes with time and experience.